to extend my warm welcome to all present here for the celebration of Pratibha Darshan. It's an honor to be here today as an anchor for this event. I, Ketna, welcome our distinguished guests, parents, teachers, and my dear friends.
I, Riyanj, with great joy and gratitude, welcome you all. Your presence will make this event even more special, and we are very grateful to have each one of you here. Before we begin this program, we request the parents to cooperate with us by adding the following points and help us make this event a memorable and joyous one. We request you to remain seated and enjoy the entire event. Our friends will be handed over to class teachers only after a national song.
If you wish to click photographs, kindly sit on chairs arranged into the camera. We will call you class-wise. Please ensure that the audience view is not obstructed while clicking photographs.
Do not cross the area in front of the camera where recording is in progress. So without a further delay, let us begin this program. Dear audience, here for the fantabulous performances.
आज इस स्वर्णिम अवसर पर सभी उपस्थित जनों का हार्दिक अभिनंदन करते हैं। हम कक्षा 5वीं के छात्र आज हमारे विद्यालय के प्रांगण में प्रतिभा दर्शन हम होंगे कामयाब नामक कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया जा रहा है, जिसका शुभारंभ करते हैं एक प्रार्थना गीत से।
To invoke divine blessings and grace upon our program, we would like to start with a prayer. Let's welcome the prayer team.
करा